Investing for the long term on eToro can be a rewarding strategy if done correctly. The first step is to create an account on the eToro platform. Visit the eToro website and sign up by providing your personal details. Make sure to verify your identity, as this is an important aspect of the process. Once your account is active, you can fund it using various payment methods such as credit cards, bank transfers, or e-wallets. After funding your account, it's time to explore the different assets available for investment. eToro offers a wide range of options, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and commodities. Take your time to research each asset, focusing on their historical performance, market trends, and volatility. This research is crucial, as long-term investing relies on understanding the potential growth and stability of the assets you choose. Next, consider diversifying your portfolio. Investing in a mix of different asset classes can help mitigate risks and enhance potential returns. Use eToro's social trading features to follow and copy the strategies of successful investors. This allows you to learn from others while making informed decisions about your investments. Be sure to regularly review your portfolio and adjust your strategy as needed based on market conditions. Finally, remember that long-term investing requires patience and discipline. Avoid the urge to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your investment plan and keep an eye on your long-term goals. By focusing on a well-researched and diversified portfolio, you increase your chances of building wealth over time while leveraging the unique features offered by eToro.